Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PropStream for motivated seller targeting, full guide step by step clearly. To enable PropStream for motivated seller targeting, start by visiting the official PropStream website. If you don't have an account, click on the Get Started button to create one. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the sign-up process, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link to activate your account. Once activated, return to the PropStream homepage and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the specific area or address you want to target for motivated sellers. After entering the location, click on the search icon to view the results. PropStream will display a list of properties within the selected area. To filter for motivated sellers, find the Filters option on the left-hand side of the page. Click on Filters to reveal various criteria for narrowing your search. Scroll down to locate the motivated seller options. Select the criteria that best fits your targeting strategy, such as pre-foreclosures, delinquent taxes, or absentee owners. Once you have set your filters, click on the Apply Filters button. The platform will refresh and display a new list of properties that match your criteria. You can further refine your results by adjusting additional filters if needed. Click on each property to view detailed information. This includes owner details, property characteristics, and financial information. To save potential leads, click on the checkbox next to each property. Then, find the Add to List button at the top of the page. Create a new list or add to an existing one to keep your leads organized. Navigate back to the main dashboard to view your saved lists. From here, you can easily access your targeted motivated seller leads. Use the contact information provided to reach out to potential sellers. Monitor your list regularly to track any changes or new leads. By consistently applying these steps, you will effectively leverage PropStream for your motivated seller targeting needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.